So you're having cracks in your concrete. What if I told you it was because of your rebar? Stay tuned. So you're having cracks in your concrete. Now, I want to preface this by saying all concrete cracks. So with that being said, there's many reasons concrete cracks, but I'm about to show you one example of why concrete cracks. Come with me and check it out. Okay, I want you to look closely at this video right here. Do you see that? That's a rebar tie. This rebar was placed way too close to the surface of this concrete pad. That is one reason why concrete cracks when you have rebar. Now, how do you know if that's why your concrete's cracking? Well, the number one reason, which is the most obvious, is you will see the rebar. Number two is that you will see a pattern in the cracks of the way that the rebar was laid. For example, if you had, let's say, rebar that was laid every 18 inches apart and your cracks are in a pattern of every 18 inches, well, you know that that's from your rebar. Just like it is here in this photo. Do you see the circled area? The pattern is around 16 to 18 inches apart, which means they probably had their rebar placed 16 to 18 inches apart when the concrete was being poured, but it was placed too close to the surface. So that's why the cracks appeared. That's why some of the concrete has chipped off and exposed the rebar. So the way you get away from this is making sure your rebar is only halfway from the bottom and halfway from the top. You want it right in the middle of the concrete. If you have any other questions, just click on the link below. It'll take you to our website and you can email us.